In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Endeavor key fob. Replacing your device's battery at home is very easy to do. The whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver or some sort of precision screwdriver, and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go check the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for a really good price. And for the small screwdriver, you just want something to remove this screw on the back. If you don't have something this size, I would recommend what I'm using here, which comes from a set of precision screwdrivers that I've been using for a while now. And they're just a couple of bucks on Amazon for the whole set. So that will also be in the, a link for that will be in the description as well if you are interested. The first step to opening this thing up is just removing this screwdriver. So go ahead and twist that out. You can now set that to the side. And can be pretty easy to just pull it open with your fingers. But if it feels a bit stuck, you can use that flathead and come in on the corner where the keyring attaches and just kind of try to twist or pry to make some separation here. And then we can just pull it open. If you're using a key ring or a keychain or something and that falls off, don't worry, we'll put that back on at the end. So over here, we have the battery, and you can just use your flathead to come in to this space on the top. You can see that opening right there. Just use the corner of your flathead, or you can even use your smaller screwdriver if that fits, and you're just going to get under the battery. No, it doesn't want to come out. So I'm just going to switch over here, try to use this precision screwdriver. You know what? I'm going to use this other one from my set that's just a bit smaller. If you're having trouble here, you could probably use something like a bobby pin, a needle, maybe even a pencil. But once you get under the battery, it comes out very easily. Just like that. Maybe you can even tap it out of there. Let me see. You can actually just skip all of that and just flip it over and kind of knock it out of there. So here is our CR2032. You want to get rid of your old battery. Make sure your new battery, of course, is the CR2032. And when you're putting it in, the positive side that has the plus sign on it needs to be facing down. So go ahead and just settle that into place, positive side down. And now we can go ahead and put it back together. This is the point where you want to grab your key ring, keychain, and find this little post on the corner. And you can just kind of set that, hang it off of there, and then put the back of the device right on top. And of course, you're just going to be matching up this hole with the post. So drop that on, squeeze it back together, and then we're just going to twist this screw back in there. So tighten that up. And just like that, you have a new battery in there. You're good to go. Hopefully you save some money, avoiding a trip to the dealership where they charge you a lot more. This is always the easiest way to do it and the cheapest way to do it. So I hope that was easy for you to follow. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, FobBattery.com.